Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So today in the lab, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look using all of the products I got from Marshall's. Yes, beauty products from Marshall's. So affordable, so cute. Like, come on, who want to spend a lot of money on makeup when you don't have to, basically? So that is what this video is all about. If you haven't checked out my last video when I showed you guys the haul of all the products I got from Marshall's, then definitely check it out. It will be listed in the description box below as well as pop up here at the end of this video. So yes, if you want to see how I got this look, make sure your post notifications are turned on so you won't miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I've already done my brows and moisturize and prime. For moisturizer, I went in with the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. And my primer, I'm trying to finish up this Milk Makeup one. This right here, I don't know what's happening. So, I've been really skeptical on trying new products because I don't know what I used recently that was new. But, that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part through by doing my foundation and concealer and setting powder, and then we're going to talk about the new stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Oh, I forgot how good this foundation looked, honey. Yes, this looks good. All right, now concealer. Alright, so this is basically like my foundation routine using these products. So now I'm going to go in with the bronzer that is in the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright face palette. And this is the palette You Are Gold. And it looks like this. So I'm going to take this as my bronzer. Yo, I'm so excited to try this stuff. It's crazy. So don't go so ham like I just did. But now I gotta make sure it matches on this side. And I'm gonna come back to the blush, but I do want to try out this bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula bronzing booster, and it's more of a metallic-y highlighting bronzer. I'm gonna put that on top of it. I haven't used like a highlighting bronzer since like my high school, middle school, high school days when I used to be so excited to wear makeup. So I'm going to go in with this angled brush and just put a little bit to like soften up this bronzer a little bit. Hopefully. But I think it's going to give you like a glowy look because it's like a radiant bronzer. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely giving that. I really can't tell on this side because as I just said earlier, this side was like, is giving me some breakout problems that I've never experienced before. So, yeah. So this is definitely like a highlighting. This definitely will be perfect for the summer, for sure. But I like that it's like a highlighting glow. Alright, so moving on to the eyeshadow palette, and we'll come back to the face because I'm so excited to try this palette. Again, this is the Colorpro or Colorco Crystal Luxe Pressed Pigment palette. And you guys, I cannot wait to see how these colors are going to perform. So let's get into this eye, honey. Look at these beautiful colors and look at the pan. I'm so excited. And it folds all the way back, so it's easy for me to tell you guys about this. They do have the names in here, so I'm just going to go for something pretty simple. First, I'm going to start off with Prized, which is this one here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I am using my MAC 224 brush. And I'm placing this in the crease and dragging it down to my eyelid. There is a little bit of kick up on this palette, so if that matters to you, then this may not be the palette for you. But for $5.99, like, you really can't beat that with a stick. But it is kind of it's a lot of kick up. Now going into Opulence, which is like this orangey shade. perfect transition shade, and I'm gonna put that right in the crease as well. I love finding affordable makeup now, like seriously. It just seems so much better. But it's so weird because I'm so used to buying like the makeup from Sephora that when I see these prices in drugstore, I'm like, oh no, that's expensive. Comment down below if you do that sometimes. And you be like, girl, this is the drugstore price. Like, it's so much more cheaper than you going to get a $50 foundation or a $40 to $50 eyeshadow palette. Better make it work. So far, they're blending really nicely. So now I'm going to go into Plush. I'm going to try to use as many colors as I can. Still using the same brush. So I'm going to go into Plush. This thing does like have a lot of kick up. I'm not sure if you guys can see it from here. So just be mindful of that when you go in to look at your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx for this palette or this brand. Last color I'm going to add in the crease is this Precious shade right here. Taking a more precise brush, I'm going to take my Sigma E33 Detailed Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit of this dark shade just to give a little more definition in the corners. On the eye, I'm going to mix Trinket and Copper. So these two shades here, and I'm going to take my finger because they're super buttery to the touch. All right, so on my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with these blues right here. I'm going to start off with this one on the outer corner and then go in with a lighter one. I just want to use these two blue colors. So I talked about two pair of lashes, the Cala lashes that I got from Marshalls as well. So I'm gonna go in with the lavish ones and see what these are given. So I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. We got the lashes on. I'm gonna go back into the Makeup Forever palette and use the blush here. Yo, this thing is pigmented. That's what I'm liking. This thing is super pigmented, but I still want to go in with the Milani. I picked up this Milani Color Harmony blush palette, and my cheeks are gonna probably look crazy adding all this stuff, but it looks like this. It's so pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and add. Oh, it's like a little, that highlighter is nice. I'm putting that on my nose, the little highlight. And I'm gonna go on top of that Marc Jacobs mascara with the Ariel Wispies mascara. This was $3.99 at Marshalls. I'm gonna pack it on my bottom lashes because I love when that looks really defined and spiked. I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. Coconut Dewy Setting Spray. Going in my inner corner, I'm gonna take this pale gold shade, which is right here. And for a little more highlight on the cheeks, I'm gonna go back into the Makeup Revolution and Patricia palette and use this highlighter. So this is the finished look. All right, so let me just quickly go down the line of what I like. I will say that this eyeshadow palette, you have to put a lot of effort into it. As I showed you guys, there was a lot of kick up and fallout on the palette. But I mean, it's only $5.99. But for the metallic shades that are in here, I had to spray my brush to get them to pop up and show through. So I will have to give this like a 7 out of 10. My expectations were not as high because of the price point. And also, I mean, it's a palette, but sometimes you can find palettes that are really bomb for dirt cheap. But The colors in here are beautiful. They are easy to work with. Like I said, just the fallout, the kick up, and also like blending, the blending of the transitional shades, the matte shades, they blended really well. It was a little bit of a tricky situation for the metallic, the smooth metallic and glittery ones in the palette, but it's still a cute palette. I thought I did pretty well with using a palette like this. I think this is probably my most affordable palette out of my entire collection, so that was a challenge, but I like challenges, so that was fun. Moving on to the Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution. Girl, this thing is pigmented. As you guys can see, it has given me so much color, so much depth, which I really do love and enjoy when it comes to my makeup. So I would have to give this a 10. As far as this blush right here, I give it a 10. There was a little highlight in here. This is perfect for like every day. I can't wait to keep you guys posted in the comment section below about how this is going to look. I think I'm going to be adding this into my everyday routine regimen that I do for going to work. So that is really good. The bronzer is really nice. I would love to see how this will perform by itself. I just got so used to using matte bronzer, so I'll keep you guys posted on all of these products. All of the products will be listed in the description box below. As I mentioned in my last video, definitely check that out and see everything when I got it as a haul. The Ariel lashes, I'll keep you guys posted when I'm not wearing falsies. I don't typically wear falsies daily. I only usually do them for events or if I'm filming a video. So I'll let you guys know how this works on my top lashes. But for my bottom lashes, because I mixed it on top of the Marc Jacobs one, my lashes had already dried, so it was hard to really grab my lashes, being as if they were already being grabbed by the other mascara. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But I really do like the wand on here. It's perfect and gets every lash on the bottom lash line, so I will have to give this a 10 so far. These lashes, these could be like an everyday lash if you're into wearing falsies every day, but I really like these. They just give you enough oomph without it being too dramatic, so I really like these. Again, these are the Cala 3D Faux Lashes in the style Lavish. They were at Marshalls for $3.99, and I think that is everything that I wanted to show with the new stuff. You guys already know how I feel about this. Is the e.l.f. Coconut Dewy Mist. So yes, that is everything that I wanted to test out that I got from Marshalls. So comment down below if you tried any of these products, if you've seen some of these products in your local Marshalls, TJ Maxx, or even Ross. Let me know down below. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.